she's broke. Developed Misfire, so let's plug her into the diagnostics and see what's going on. We're using the Ansel MT700 diag, so we go to Moto diag, Honda, and it automatically detects the VIN of the bike. Auto scan, scan DTC. So we've got current fault on the ignition coil primary circuit malfunction. Possible causes: generate faults, loose or poor contact of the ignition coil connector, ignition coil or its circuit malfunction. Right, so it looks like we're digging in, getting underneath the fuel tank, airbox off, find out what's going on.
Watching your mouth move
Well, we're finally in, guys. Fairings are off. That might have been 5 minutes for you, but it was 35 minutes for me. So let's pull the coils out, have a look. The issue was on coil 3. But to be honest with you, I'm not 100% which coil 3 is. Well, that one looks good. That one looks good. I'm assuming that's coil 1 and 2, so this one must be 3. Yeah, that's crusty, that is. Yeah, so we've got loads of corrosion all around the outer sleeves. So I think moisture's got in there at some point. Perished. So we'll get a coil ordered. If you like the content, give it a like. If you want to see what's coming next on part 2, where we get the bike running again, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.